Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we start a very important chapter of your syllabus which is areas related to circles, and in that chapter, in that class we discuss all the important concepts related to circle, like we discuss about the sector, segments, arc, central angle, and we discuss all the important formula related to that chapter, and also we solve some important questions. Now in today's class we also take some important concept, discuss some important concept related to that chapter, and also we take and solve some important question based on this topic. First of all, we discuss a very important concept related to circle, sector of the circle. You know that in previous class we discuss about the sector. Suppose that here O A B are 2 points on the circle, then this is the join OA and OB, this is the radii of the circle, and the region bounded by included in them is known as what sector of a circle. This is the sector of the circle, and its area is given by what, pi r square into theta upon 360 degree. This they had theta with the central angle subtended by an arc at the center of the circle. You know that very well. And very important formula is that the length of arc, dear friend, length of arc, we take as C, ACB is also given by the formula 2 pi r into theta upon 360 degree. Theta, this please note down every students. Okay, this is the formula to find the length of arc. If in this situation we find the length of arc, and area of sector we also means sector means OACBO. Area of sector is also obtained by the formula 1 upon 2 length of arc into radius. This is the formula for the area of sector. Like that, if we put the value of L is this, so we get what, let's see, 1 by 2 into the value of length of, here L is the length of arc. Okay, if we put the value of L as 2 pi r into theta upon 360 degree into r, so look, 2 to cancel to each other, so we get pi into r, there pi r into r, this is pi r square into theta upon 360 degree. Okay, so this is also the formula for area of sector AOBO, AOBCA. Okay, so in this way, this is the another formula to find the area of sector of the circle. Okay, now we take and solve some important questions based on these topics. Let's see. And the question is, the perimeter of a sector, the perimeter the perimeter of the sector of a circle of radius, of a circle of radius 5.22 centimeter is 16.4 centimeter. The perimeter of a sector, okay, of radius is 16.4 centimeter. We find what? Find the area of the sector. Of the sector, na? Now let's see its solution. Dear friend, this is a very important concept, question related to that topic. Let's see. So first of all, we draw a circle, okay, with center O, and we take 2 points on the circle as A, B, and we join A and B, and we take as C. So that region is called what? Sector of the circle. And also it is given that, and OA here, OA and OB are the radius of the circle, radius of the circle, that is R is equal to OA is equal to OB each equal to what? 5.2 centimeter. So this is 5.2, this is 5.2, and let us take the length of arc be L. Let us take the length of arc. Okay, let the length of arc ACB is L centimeter. And just I discussed about that कि a very important formula is area of sector 1/2 length of arc into radius. This is the another formula to find the sector, area of sector. Okay, now first of all we finding the arc. Now look here, the perimeter of the sector. What is the concept of perimeter? You know that the sum of all outer boundary of a region is called the perimeter. So in that sector, OA plus length of arc ACB plus OB is the perimeter. So from figure, the perimeter the sector OACBO is OA plus OB plus length of arc ACB, or we put as, and we put the perimeter is given as what? 16.4. so here we put 16.4. OA is what? 5.2 plus 5.2. length of arc we take as L. We take as the length of arc be L. Okay, now look, so we get as what? 5.2 is what? 10.4. so L is equal to 16.4 minus 10.4, so we get what? 6. So it what? Get 6 centimeter. So in this way we find the length of arc as 6 centimeter. Now thus we find the area of sector, thus its area will be 1/2 into L into L is what? 6 into R is what? 5.2. so 2 3s are 6, so 3 into 5.2, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, means 15.6 centimeter square. This is the concept of what? That question. In this way we find the length, the area of sector AOB. So okay, so please just this is the very important questions, so please concentrate on this question and do more and more practices. Okay, now we take and solve some other important question based on areas related to circle. Let's see. Now the question is, now we take some important question. In the given figure, shows sector of two concentric circles, shows that the sector of two concentric circles of radii 7 centimeter and 3.5 centimeter. Okay, find the area of the shaded region. Find the area of the shaded region, and we take the pi value of pi is 22/7, and the figure is, look, okay, look here, central angle is, this is the radii of two concentric circle of center O A this the radius of smaller circle is what 3.5 centimeter, and the radius of bigger circle is what 7 centimeter. You just find the area of the shaded region. That portion is shaded. Now, what I do, dear student, the area of shaded region we will find by the difference between the area of sector OABO minus area of sector OCDO. It is clear? So we apply that concept and we simplify them. Now from figure it is clear that from figure it is the area of the shaded region is area of sector with radius 7 centimeter minus area of sector of radius 3.5 centimeter. Okay, now we apply the formula. So area of sector, you know that the formula is what, pi r square theta upon 360 minus, we take as this is the r1, this is r1, this is take as r2, minus pi r2 square into theta upon 360, because of the these are the concentric circle and the theta as the center angle remains the constant. Now we take pi into theta upon 360 degree as common into this is r1 square minus r2 square. So we get what, pi is 22 upon 7, theta is what 30 degree upon 360 into r1 square, r1 is what 7 sevens are 49 minus 3.5 square (12.25). This is the 12.25. Now we just simplify them. Now 0 cancel to each other. This is 12. Now look. Now area of shaded region is equal to 22 upon 7 into 1 upon 12 into 49.0 and 12.25. We get what? 5, 7, 6, 3, 36.75. 36.75. Okay. Now after the simplify, after now we multiply by what? Look, we can write in this way also कि now the 36.75 today to 0.5. Okay, so 808.50 upon 84. Now we just divide by 808.50 upon 84, so we get as near about 9 point something. So this is 9.5 something centimeter square. Okay, so in this way, dear friends, you can solve that type of question. These are the very important question of your syllabus based on the areas related to circle. Okay, so please just do more and more practices of that type of question. After that you complete your NCERT exercise. Now we take and solve some other important question based on circles and sector also. Okay, let's see this one. take and solve some important question, and your question is find the area of a circle. Find the area of the circle whose circumference is whose circumference is 22 centimeter. Okay, now let's see. So dear student, you know that for finding the area of circle, first of all we find its radius. Then after, because of just I discussed about that, the area of circle, the formula for area of circle is what? Pi r square. So since, let's see its solution. So let us consider r be the radius of the circle. Then its circumference C will be what? 2 pi r. You know that very well. This is the formula for its circumference. So from there, here circumference is 22. Okay, so we write as 2 pi r is equal to 22. Now we put the value of pi 22 upon 7 into r is equal to 22. 22 cancel to each other. Thus the radius of the circle is what? 7 upon 2. 7 upon 2 centimeter. Now in this way we find its area. Thus area of circle will be pi r square, that is 22 upon 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Now 7 cancel to each other. This is 11 sevens are 77 upon 2, so it is a 38.5. This is 38.5 centimeter square. This is the required solution of the given question. Okay, so this is the very simple questions based on circle. So you can solve each and every question based on of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Now we are going to take some other important questions based on these topics. Let's see. Now we are going to take and solve some important question. Find the diameter of the circle. Your question is find the diameter of the circle. Find the diameter of the circle whose area is equal to the whose area is equal to the sum of the areas of two circles, of diameters 20 centimeter and 48 centimeter. This is the question. Now let's see its solution. Dear students, what is this question? This question is find the diameter of the circle whose areas is equal to the sum of the areas of two circles of diameters 20 centimeter and 48 centimeter. Means that we find the diameter of the circle. Okay, let r be the radius of the required circle. Suppose that let us consider r be the radius of the required circle. Okay, now and r1 and r2 be the radius of other two circles, now according to question, according to now dear students, according to questions what I get, let's see. Now according to question here, the diameter of, find the diameter of the required circle, okay, whose area is equal to the sum of the areas of two circles. So d1 is what, 20 centimeter, that is from there r1 is what, 20 upon 2 means the radius is half of the diameter, means 10 centimeter. Similarly d2 is what, 48 centimeter, then r2 is what, 24 centimeter. R2 is d2 is what, r2 is 24. Now thus according to statement whose area is equal to the means A is equal to area of the required, so this is the area of the required circle, is equal to the sum of the areas of two circles, means A1 plus A2. This is the area of sum of the areas of other two circles. Okay, now look, so from there area of the required circle is what, pi r square, because of we find the radius of the required circle is what, r, so here we write pi r square, and here pi r1 square plus pi r2 square. Now from there we take pi as common, so pi r square is equal to pi as common so we get r1 square plus r2 square, pi what, cancel to each other, that is r square is equal to r1 square plus, now r square is equal to r1 is what, 10, so 10 square, r2 is 24, so 24 square. So dear students, we get as r square is equal to 10 tens are 100, okay, this is 100, this is 576, this is 676. Now so r is equal to in square root 676, the square root of 676 is what, 26, this is 26 centimeter. So in this way dear student, this is the radius of the circle, the radius of the required circle, but we find what, we find the diameter of the required circle, thus the diameter of the required circle is d is equal to 2r, 2 into r means 2 into 26, this is 52 centimeter. Okay, so in this way dear student, you can solve that type of question. This is one of the most important questions of your syllabus, so please dear student, do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on this topic. Now we take and solve some other important question based on this topic. Let's see. And your question is, we take some other important question based on this topic. Find the area of the sector. Your question is, we take an NCERT question. Find the area of a sector or area of a sector of a circle of a circle of radius 28 centimeter, of radius 28 centimeter, and central angle is 45 degree, and central angle is 45 degree. Okay, now let's see its solution. Look, so first of all, this is your circle, and we draw a circle, okay, with center O. And I just discuss about that topic ki what is the concept of sector. The region to the region bounded by an arc and the circle. The region bounded by an arc and a circle is called what? Sector, na? Is called circle. Now look. So suppose that we take AB, B and R, and we just join OA and OB respectively, and the central angle of that question for that question is 45 degree, and this is OA and OB is the radius of the circle, which is equal to 28 centimeter. So that region is known as the sector of the circle. We find the area of that. We just we know that the formula for the sector of the circle. So here we take a C. Thus from figure radius of circle is what? This is 28 centimeter. Okay, angle AOB is equal to 45 degree. Okay, we find the area of sector OACBO. Thus area of sector OACBO is equal to, you know that, pi r square into theta upon 360. Pi r square into theta upon 360. This is the formula for area of sector. Now we put the each and every value in that formula. Look, so the value of pi we take as 22 upon 7. R square, the radius is what? 28. So 28 into theta is what? 45 upon 360 degree. Now 7 4s are 28. 7 4s are 28, and here 45. 8s are, na? 8s are. So look, so we get as what? 22 into 4 into 28 into 1 by 8. So 4 2s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, means 22 into 14, and after multiplying them we get 308 centimeter square. This is the required solution of the given question. So in this way, dear students, you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on the topic sector, based on the topic segment, based on the topic circle, all the topic related to circle, dear students. Let's see once more time. Here we find the area of the sector, and you know that sector is what? Sector is the region bounded by an arc and the radii of the circle. So for that, according to that concept, we find the area of sector by using this formula, because this is the formula of sector, pi r square theta upon 360. So we put the values, each and every values in that formula, and after simplifying them we get our result. So in this way you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. How? Thus, dear students, now in next class we take and solve some other important chapter based on areas related to sector circle. So first of all, you learn all the formula Okay, and complete your NCRT exercise. Now thanks to all.